Welcome again to our online class today. Today we are looking at a problem called a quadratic equation, and the question we have to solve is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0, and we have to use completing the square method to solve this problem. So without wasting our time, let's go through the solution process proper. So follow me as we take it step by step. So the first thing to do is to write your question, which is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. And then the next thing to do is to what? Make sure that the coefficient of x squared is unity. Now, how do we do that? So divide through by negative 2. So when we divide through by negative 2, this will now have what? X squared plus 5 over 2x minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Again, we have done that. Now the next thing to do is isolate the constant term to the right hand side. So how do we do that? Is to add 3 over 2 to both sides, to the left hand side and to the right hand side. Remember, whatever you do to the left hand side, you equally do it to the right hand side. So this means that we have something like this. We have x squared plus 5 over 2x is equal to 3 over 2. The next thing is to do to add half of 5 over 2 all squared to both sides. So when we want to do that, we say add 5 over 2 all squared to both sides. So how do we do that? So it's to add what they have now, x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2, the half of this is 5 over 4 all raised to power 2 to the right hand side also, which is 3 over 2 plus 5 over 4 all raised to power 2. So after we have done that, now is to simplify. And if you look at the left hand side, now we have a perfect square. So is to what? Factorize the left hand side and then simplify the right hand side. So let's go through it as soon as possible. So again, we start now in the process. So factorizing the left hand side, we have x plus 5 over 4 all squared is equal to, simplify the right hand side, we have 3 over 2 plus, what is 5 squared is 25 over 16. So what now we have to solve the right hand side is a fraction, normal fraction in arithmetic, how we solve, which is pretty simple to do. So what do? You take the LCM of the denominator. So again, we come again, implication is that I have x plus 5 over 4 all squared is equal to, what is the LCM is 16. Since the LCM is 16, how do we do that? So how many times to 2 divide 16? So we had our LCM 16. How many times to 2 divide 16 is 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 16 we divide 16, 1. 1 times 25 is 25. So we now have x plus 5 over 4 all squared is equal to 24 plus we have 49 over 16. The next thing to do is to take the square roots of both sides, of both the left hand side and also the right hand side. So if we do that, we have x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 49 over 16. So x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus, what is the square root of 49? 7 over 4. Now is to simplify that. So we now have what? X is now equal to, either x is equal to plus or minus 7 over 4 minus 5 all over 4. So since the right hand side, the fractions have a common denominator, so we can simplify x to be equals to plus or minus 7 minus 5 all over 4. So either x is equals to minus 7 minus 5 over 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So x is equal to, either x is equals to negative 3, or x is equals to 1 over 2. Thank you very much for today's class. We'll meet again pretty soon. Have a good day.